Welcome back to my channel. What if I told you, just one Ladoo a day could stop your hair fall, double your hair density, and it's made only from nature's magic, no chemicals, no medicine? Your hair's real engine is keratin, and the most important fuel to make it is vitamin B7, also known as biotin. Here's the catch, your body cannot make biotin on its own. If you don't get enough from food, hair fall becomes unavoidable. Most store-bought biotin supplements are synthetic, and your body barely absorbs them. That's why today, I'll show you a super Biotin Ladoo made from 9 natural, biotin-rich superfoods, fully absorbable, fully effective. You'll need peanuts 1/2 cup, roasted, rich in biotin and vitamin E to strengthen hair follicles and prevent breakage. Cashew nuts 1/4 cup, roasted, high in copper, which boosts melanin production for natural hair color. Pistachios 1/4 cup, roasted, loaded with vitamin B6 and antioxidants that improve scalp blood circulation. Almonds 1/4 cup, roasted, packed with biotin, magnesium and protein for thicker, healthier hair strands. Walnuts 1/4 cup, roasted, rich in omega-3 fatty acids to nourish hair roots and add shine. Pumpkin seeds 2 tablespoons, roasted, contain zinc and iron to reduce hair thinning and stimulate growth. Sunflower seeds 2 tablespoons, roasted, excellent source of vitamin B7, biotin, and selenium for faster hair growth. Sesame seeds 1 tablespoon, roasted, high in calcium and essential oils to strengthen hair roots. Flax seeds 1 tablespoon, roasted, full of plant-based omega-3 to reduce scalp dryness and dandruff. Dates, seedless, 1 cup. Natural sweetener rich in iron and energy, preventing hair fall due to anemia. Method: roast the ingredients. On low flame, roast peanuts, cashews, pistachios, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, and flax seeds one by one for 2 to 3 minutes each until slightly golden and aromatic. Roasting enhances flavor and activates nutrients. Cool and grind. Let all roasted ingredients cool completely. Add them to a grinder and pulse until you get a coarse powder. Don't overgrind, you want a slight crunch. Prepare date paste. In a blender, grind the dates into a smooth paste. If dates are dry, soak them in warm water for 10 minutes before blending. Mix and shape. In a mixing bowl, combine the nut seed powder with date paste. Mix well until the mixture is sticky enough to hold shape. Take small portions and roll them into round ladoos. Store and consume. Store in an airtight container. Eat 1 Ladoo daily for at least 30 days for best results. Extra tip for maximum hair growth. For even better results, have this Ladoo with a glass of warm milk or any vitamin C-rich fruit, like orange or kiwi. In the morning, vitamin C boosts biotin absorption and supports collagen production. 1 Ladoo daily doesn't just give you biotin. You're also getting magnesium, selenium, zinc, omega-3, and natural protein. Together, these nutrients wake up your dormant follicles, just like jump-starting a dead battery. Before spending money on supplements, try this for 1 month, then compare your before and after hair photos. You'll see why nature always wins. Thank you for watching.